The next step is to set up your facility's budgets. You'll begin first by entering the month and day that your facility's fiscal year begins. When you are finished, click the Submit button. Each department will contain 4 links: Define and delete budgets, and set up operational and personnel budgets. Defining and deleting categories are the first step in preparing to set up your facility's budget. Once all budget categories have been identified, you will then be able to begin the actual entry of your facility's projected budget expenditures on a month-by-month basis. To begin defining categories, click the Define Categories link. This will display the chart of accounts for all departments on the right-hand side of the screen. To add any categories that are not found in the chart of accounts, select the appropriate department, then click on the down arrow in the Select a Category box. Here you can choose either Create a new category or identify an existing category to which you wish to add a new subcategory. Once you have added the new category or subcategory, click the Submit button. The new category or subcategory is now displayed. When you have finished adding categories and subcategories, click the Click Here button to return to Set Up Budgets. If you wish to delete categories, select the Delete Categories link. Here you will simply check off the categories and subcategories you wish to delete. Once you have finished deleting categories and subcategories, click the Click Here button to return to Set Up Budgets. You are now ready to input your budgets for each department by month. Begin by clicking on the appropriate department tab, then select the Set Operational Budgets link. Here you select the month and year of the budget that you wish to set up. When you are finished, click the Submit button. This page will now identify the department, month, and year. It will also show the chart of accounts that you have created. Insert your budget numbers as appropriate. When you have finished entering budget numbers for each month, click the Click Here button to return to the Setup page. To set your facility's personnel budgets, click the Set Personnel Budgets link. All of the current employees for the specific department will automatically be shown on the budget with their current pay rate and job title and month of increase. You may enter projected raise as a dollar or percentage amount, and the other will automatically calculate. As you enter hours for the year, the projected raise will automatically be calculated in the appropriate month of increase shown. The right portion of the screen will scroll across so the hours can be entered for all 12 months of your fiscal year. The tax rate percentage in the lower left corner is optional for you to enter an average percentage for employer-paid taxes. This will help you get a more accurate picture of personnel costs than using just the hourly rate. You can make changes to the budget by changing the figures and clicking the Submit Changes button. Once you have finalized your personnel budget, the Finalize Budget checkbox in the lower left corner must be checked. Until this box is checked, the program will continue to update new employees and your budget will be continually changing. Once you have finished setting up your personnel budget, click the Click Here button to return to the Setup Budgets page. Once you have finished entering all budget information, click the Finish button to return to the Setup page with the next step highlighted.